Wow.
Why I saw something? They were crazy. This is really scary. Nobody's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
Hi guys, this is my new vlog. We are going to go to Vang Vieng. I'm so tired and exhausted. I probably slept like 2 hours. But we made it to the Vientiane railway station. So what you have to do here, that there is a security check there. It was super fast. We came like 1 hour before because somehow we saw that it's going to take hours and the tickets and everything. You have to be careful not to take aerosol with your like vape. Be careful because vape is illegal here, but other things you can take water and other like foods with you. And it's interest built by China, between Laos and China. This is like a bullet train. It's like going 160 km/h, and it's super convenient. We're going to check it. We got the ticket for first class because Juan booked for first class by mistake. So we are going to see it. It's like maximum $30. So it's like 1 hour to go there. You could go by bus or taxi. Taxi is really expensive. No, not really, but it's compared to this it's expensive. So I think this is the most convenient. It's like goes almost every hour to Vang Vieng, to Luang Prabang, so all the famous places it's going. So we booked until Monday so just for a weekend we gone to Vang Vieng and we're going to check it. So let's see what you can do. And one more thing, here you don't have food court. You can just have coffee and other things, but food not that much, so be aware with that. So let's see later. I'm gonna grab some coffee right now. What?
From 7:30 to 9:30 the breakfast.
Well, but at least it's 9:30. No, so we checked into the Vang Vieng backpackers hostel. No, not in the dirty place.
Which side are you already?
This. So we have a nice big bed, aircon, view. I think it's not raining yet. TV, whatever. So this is the private toilet with shower, probably hot water. Nothing fancy. It was like $25 for one night, and we have breakfast with it. So really nothing fancy. We only brought that much stuff with us. So we are so tired, we don't know what we are going to do. Probably we rest for a little bit, and after we go for a walk or a hike, and after probably we drink something, and then tomorrow we will rent a bike and we go to places in the morning. So we are really lazy, but we got out from the bed, from the afternoon siesta, and we are going to check out a cave. And look this. Right, it looks good. Really beautiful.
I'm happy to have you here.
Yes. So, and look at this, the mountains. It's pretty beautiful. But today is our kind of chill day. Oh no, it might be raining. The weather is not that good, so tomorrow we decided to go tomorrow to the lagoon, as I said. And now we just go for a walk, night market, and look, really beautiful. And you can walk nicely here. A lot of backpackers, but not that much tourists, so it's nice. We made it to the park, and I believe you have to pay for the cave later. 5,000 is to the park. It's like this. We have toilet there. I'm going to pass the river and we're going to go to the cave, right? But we are like this. We have free whiskey in the hostel, but probably we are not going to drink anything.
Free whiskey every night from 6 to 8 p.m.
Why we are so tired?
Tara doesn't like whiskey anyway.
But I want to wake up tomorrow to go to amazing places, so that's the reality. But look at this, so nice. Look, Indiana Jones. So let me tell you more stuffs about Vang Vieng. It's actually a beautiful and amazing place for adventures, and the scenery is unreal, and the river made it backpacker magnet. Years ago the party scene went too far, and the government cleanup turned the focus to safer outdoor fun, which is how most travelers enjoy it today. And you know, it had many sad stories here that some people died here, backpackers. But when I was there, I felt safe, and it's so beautiful. I didn't party at all. You really can do so much stuff there. Let me tell you some stuffs what you can do. You can do Blue Lagoon swim, Tapu Kam and Tam Jang Caves. You can go to the Kaing Nui waterfall. You can go hot air balloon. You can go swimming, hiking, enjoying yourself. So really, it's an amazing place to visit, and I hope when you go to Asia you don't miss Vang Vieng, because it's one of my favorite places. So the other entrance fee is 15,000. As I told, look at this, like 192 steps up. This is too small. It's like the Mayan temple, no? I'm going to fall, really. Like too small. Wow, look this. Oh. I don't know why the comment said that this is small. They were crazy. This is really scary. Nobody is here. Oh my god. If you have seen the cave horror movie, then when I'm not going, because I'm afraid. How long?
There's nothing to be afraid of.
Okay. So nem tudom a kommentekben miért mondtam. Ah! Yeah, viewpoint.
Yeah. So first the driving range or something for golf. Welcome to the gates of hell. This is the gates of hell.
Look. Danger.
Wow.
Why, I saw something.
Oh! What?
I saw, I'm not kidding, like
You
an
what?
eyes or something.
There's nothing.
No, I'm serious with your.
No, let's see it.
No, goodbye.
They were saying hello. Why danger?
I'm not kidding, there's so something.
There's nothing.
There is.
What there will be? Huh?
No, when you put your Your phone, there was like a white eyes or something.
Let's see, let's see.
Okay, goodbye. So it's pretty cool. For 5,000 you can come here. Here is the river. With this you can go inside and it's crystal clear water. Look, it's really beautiful. You can jump in from here. You can go inside from there. And people just chill.
Danger, danger.
This is danger.
I think there was someone.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Buddha scared me.
Big Buddha.
Namaste.
Namaste.
For Buddha, not really.
Danger, danger. Attention. You thought it was someone, no?
Really? I did, yes.
Danger, danger.
Look at this. So I really like Laos. Look at this. Nature is unbelievable. No, I cannot say this one. Unbelievable. So beautiful. And no monkeys. Look at this water. So you can go inside and you can just swim, chilling here. I love it here. It's so amazing. And it's like they don't take a lot of money from you to come inside, and just then the people are super chill. So they're not coming to you every single second to sell you something. They're just so chill, really. So chill. Not like in Thailand, but of course you cannot compare two countries. But after Thailand, this is super chill. I like it. Toilet situation. Not that bad, but here mostly this Asian style of toilets they have.
One big or two?
No, they are big.
Or do you want small?
I think too small, no?
Too small. Yeah. One. Not too small. Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
And thank you for watching my video or our video. This is the end because we were so tired. We just drank a beer and we went to sleep and we ate pizza, so nothing Lao food. And my next video is going to be still in Laos, Vang Vieng, so see you there.